Hello students, in this video we are going to study about preparation of carboxylic acids from nitriles and amides. So how the reaction takes place, let's see. When nitriles means alkyl nitriles RCN are nothing but cyanides, when undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis means addition of water takes place, H2. Breakdown of water always takes place, H plus and OH minus. Now what happens? During the acid hydrolysis, the reaction takes place. So OH gets, the bond breaks from here and this OH is added to this carbon and H is added to this nitrogen. We get RCOH double bond NH. So this is the intermediate unstable product which on tautomerism. So it is rearrangement takes place. This H is shifted towards the nitrogen and double bond is shifted here. We get R C double bond O NH2. CONH2 means amide is formed. So this amide further undergoes acid hydrolysis. So acid hydrolysis always takes place in presence of dilute mineral acids like HCl, and when the mixture is heated, the addition of water takes place. Acid hydrolysis means again addition of water takes place, and finally we get the bond breaks from here and OH of this water molecule gets added to the CO group and H plus gets added to this NH2, means finally we get RCOOH. Carboxylic acid is formed with removal of ammonia. So from alkyl cyanide, in the first step by addition of water means acid hydrolysis gives its corresponding amide, and this on addition of second water molecule finally we get its corresponding carboxylic acid with the removal of ammonia. Now if we take the example of cyanide, so methyl cyanide CH3CN, methyl cyanide CH3C triple bond N, when undergoes acid hydrolysis means addition of water takes place. It takes place in presence of dilute mineral acid like HCl, or in alkaline medium this reaction also takes place. So we get addition of water takes place, breakdown of water is always takes place, H plus and OH minus. So addition of water takes place like this way, CH3COH triple bond is converted into double bond NH. Now this intermediate product converted into, or by rearrangement tautomerism, the CH3CO NH2 is formed, acetamide is formed. So this acetamide is the intermediate product and which undergo further acid hydrolysis, means addition of water takes place in presence of dilute mineral acid like dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid is used. Now the bond breaks from here, CNH2 bond breaks and addition of water simply takes place by H and OH. OH is added to this carbon and H is added to NH2. So finally here we get CH3COOH means acetic acid with removal of NH3. Ammonia is removed as a byproduct. So this is the reaction when here this is the methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile, methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile when undergoes hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, addition of water takes place. So this OH is added to this carbon and H is added to nitrogen. Finally we get its intermediate product, unstable, which becomes stable by tautomerism. So rearrangement of the atom takes place. This double bond shift here and H shifted on this nitrogen. So we get its corresponding acetamide, and again one more H2O is added. So again acid hydrolysis takes place. After heating, it gives its corresponding same carbon containing acid is nothing but acetic acid with the removal of ammonia. Now by this method we can use aromatic acids also. So if we take an example of aryl cyanide, so CN group attached to the benzene ring, cyanobenzene, when undergoes acid hydrolysis, it gives same way the reaction takes place. So breakdown of H2O, H plus and OH minus. So OH gets added to this carbon and hydrogen is added to this nitrogen. We get intermediate unstable product COH-NH, and this carbon gets attached to this C6H5 group, which is the unstable one, and it becomes stable by tautomerism. So by the rearrangement, here we get this benzene ring attached with C double bond O, C double bond O, NH2. So benzamide is formed, benzamide which on further acid hydrolysis, means again addition of water takes place in presence of dilute HCl when the mixture is heated. So breakdown of this H2O as H plus and OH minus. So H is added to NH2 group and OH is added to CO group. The bond breaks between carbon and nitrogen, and finally here we get COOH group attached to the benzene ring, means benzoic acid formed with the removal of byproduct ammonia. So this is the preparation method for carboxylic acid from cyanides or nitriles and amide. So from aliphatic or aromatic cyanide, finally we get aliphatic or aromatic carboxylic acid.